Look upwards. On the exhale, move your waist forward towards the chair. Along with that, you'll get a lot of parallel benefits like improved digestion and some strong movement as well. All our brothers troubled by varicocele, grade 1, 2 or even 3 can easily heal themselves through chair yoga. Now sir, what is chair yoga? We've never done yoga before. Yes, exactly. For people not practicing yoga regularly, whose bodies are very stiff, chair yoga is actually more effective for them. Because if you've already reached an advanced age 30, 35 or even 25 years old and your body isn't flexible, plus you have a sitting job for long hours every day, that becomes a major reason. Or, I've often seen people who do heavy weightlifting in the gym. In fact, even professional bodybuilders, I've seen them develop varicocele either due to some wrong guidance or because they made a wrong move. Because of that, suddenly the blood flow increased towards the testicles, but it couldn't return back due to lack of stretching. They focused a lot on strengthening, so the blood flow increased, but since the muscles weren't stretchable, the blood got collected in the veins and accumulated near the testicles. And for people who sit for long periods, the body is bound to become stiff, so start doing some chair yoga daily, little by little. Start with 15 minutes a day and you will see how easily the stiffness in your back will go away and your body's flexibility will also increase. Along with that, you will get many parallel benefits like improved digestion. If you also suffer from constipation, then just begin with a chair. Just take any chair, keep a yoga mat and definitely keep a folded towel, okay? I'll show you some very easy, beginner-friendly exercises. Fold a towel and keep it ready. Why do we need the towel? So that you can protect your knees, right? From here, what you need to do is place both your elbows on the chair, rest your forearms, and slowly relax your back like this. Try to create a curve in your lower back. Press your lower back down and inhale. You can see there's about a foot of gap between both feet, and as you exhale, arch your back like this. Push your waist forward, push it forward. Basically, we are relaxing the entire area around our hip joint, relieving any stiffness so that blood flow can return to normal. On the inhale, look up. On the exhale, move your waist forward towards the chair. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale in. If you didn't understand, replay this part of the video and watch it again. You don't have to move your body back and forth in this. Some people make this mistake. I see some students doing this in live classes, but you shouldn't do that. Your legs should remain almost in the same place, perpendicular. You just need to move your spine like this. Okay, this is your first drill. How many times will you do this? 15 times. So here, pause the video for a bit and complete all 15 reps before jumping to the next exercise. For the next exercise, you need to move the towel a little further back, about 6 inches more. Then, place your hands here again and let your hips drop all the way down. Just let them hang, full relaxation like this. Inhale and look up. Press your lower back all the way down. You'll feel a really good stretch in your pelvic floor and lower core. Then from there, as you exhale, push your back backward and bring both your ears between your shoulders like this. Inhale all the way up, full relaxation. Keep the same gap between your feet and exhale as you go back. See, just watching the exercise won't help, and many times you can't judge how effective an exercise will be just by looking at it. When you actually do it, you'll feel the stretch exactly in those areas where you need to increase blood flow. There is no direct stretching exercise for the testicles. Let me make that clear to you. Like, sir, tell me a shortcut, like when you have back pain, you do one posture and the pain disappears. If you have shoulder pain, you twist like this. Asanas and stretches. It's not like that in varicocele because it's a part where there is no bone No bony structure, it's all soft tissue. You can't forcefully do fast workouts for this. You can't just grab it and do stretching. Alright, so for this, you need to do slow stretches in its peripheral region, which is the pubococcygel muscle group. This runs from the pubic bone all the way to the coccyx, which is called the pelvic floor below. So you need to relax that entire group, stretch it, increase the blood flow in it, and then release it back. These are the kinds of workouts you need to do. So this is your second exercise. Pause the video and complete this for 15 counts. Then we'll move on to the third exercise. What do you need to do for the third workout? Exactly at the same spot. You'll stand like this on your knees, both hands placed on the chair, and you will bring your right leg to the right side of the chair. Right leg to the right side of the chair. What do you need to do from here? We'll keep our hands straight and push this leg forward. Push the knee forward so that the entire pelvic floor gets a stretch. You have to push your pelvic floor down and you won't lean forward towards the chair. Keep some distance from the chair with your hands like this while pushing. There will be a slight back bend, a deep stretch. That's the inhale. Then come back like this. On the exhale, keep going back until your leg is completely straight, until you feel a stretch in your hamstring muscle. Inhale, look up. Exhale, push back. Inhale, look up. Go all the way forward. Keep going forward. Push your waist forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, look up. Push up, down. Exhale, push your hip back. So you'll do this 15 times with your right leg. Then you'll switch to the left side. Here too, you'll do it 15 times. But where did you place your foot? I placed it right next to the chair, not beside me but next to the chair, so that I could fold forward. Like this, inhale and exhale. Very good, inhale up. Exhale back, inhale up, back. Once again, inhale up, look up and push up, hip back. So you'll do this 15 times on both sides as well. Alright, I'm not doing a follow along because with follow along videos, they often get too long and I've noticed that viewers only watch half of them, so it's pointless. If you really want to get better, you'll have to put in the effort yourself. You won't get better just because I put in the effort. I conduct 5, 6, even 7 sessions a day. Live classes are held. Classes run from 6 o'clock in the morning till 8 or 9 in the evening. So you won't get better just because of my effort. I can teach you, but you have to do it yourself. That's why I decided not to make a follow along. I'll explain everything very clearly, but you'll have to do each exercise yourself. Pause the video and complete that part there. For the next exercise, we'll bring these towels back close to the chair. You also come closer, and now what we'll do is, place your right leg exactly to the right side. Earlier, I said to place it towards the chair on my right side, but now it's exactly to my side with the left leg behind. The right leg is at exactly 90 degrees to the side. Hold the chair and stretch to the side. We'll move our entire pelvic floor like this here. Go exactly to the side like this, then come back down, inhale. You'll exhale as you go into this. Exhale, but don't bend your body. Don't lean forward and don't push your hips back either. A lot of people do this movement. There's no use in doing it like that. It's a really awkward movement. Completely straight. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. You have to do this 15 times on the right side as well. Then switch to the other side and do it 15 times to the left side. Exhale, inhale. Very good. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Exactly side to side. Don't take your hips too far back like this. Your body should stay upright from your waist joint. So keep this in mind as we move to the next exercise, which is the butterfly. You definitely can't miss that one. Now, for the butterfly, you don't really need the chair. Just keep it nearby. Sit in the butterfly position. Sit in Baddha Konasana like this and make sure to stretch your spine straight up. Flap your legs like this, right. Do a nice flapping motion like this. I'll show you one last exercise. There are many such exercises. I've even made 5 or 6 new videos on semen retention. You can watch lots of really good videos. There's a playlist called Yoga and Male Fertility. The link is in the description below. You can check it out. There are some really great videos and they're all very beginner friendly. Now, let's take things a bit further. Let's make it a little more advanced. Just a step up from beginner level. Come close to the chair and pick either one of your legs. Here, I've placed my left leg on top of the chair. Fold it right at the edge, as you can see. How is the leg position? It's folded. It's not kept straight like this. As I folded the leg, you see, I folded it at a 90-degree angle and pressed it to the side like this. Alright, so I've placed my left leg here. The right leg is beside the chair and I'm already getting a really good stretch here in the inner thighs at the joint of both thighs near the groin. Now from here, you just have to try to touch the foot of the extended leg in front. It's very simple. You'll go like this. Excellent. Wow, 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 wow. As you move forward, you know. Your left shoulder comes in line with your left leg. When it comes in line at the same level, you get an amazing stretch. You feel it in the hip flexor too, and because the leg is up, all the blood flow will move towards the center below. Alright, as you move forward here, you'll also feel a stretch in your hamstring. So it's a very multifunctional workout. Exit, inhale. Some of you aren't able to touch. Many say, we can't sit properly. If you somehow manage to sit, think how stiff your body is. If you can't sit like this, you need it more. Now, for those able to bend forward, what should they do? After sitting like this, just grab one leg of the chair in any way you can. It's tight, that's fine, because you can't sit up straight. If you are falling backward, then just hold on to one leg of the chair like this. You don't actually need to touch it. Just try to pull yourself forward a little by tugging on the chair leg. Exhale, inhale, extend, inhale, extend. Even if you just do this much, you will see a lot of improvement. Alright, you will repeat the same thing again. On the right side, your right leg will be lifted up. Fold and flat, fold it. Bring it all the way into a flat position like this. Here, you don't really need a towel. We've grabbed the leg of the chair, the one on the left side, and we are bringing our shoulder down like this. Exhale, inhale, extend. So that was the last exercise of today's sequence. Friends, you can fix these things very easily. The only thing is consistency. No magic will happen just because you did chair yoga today. It's not like you will be fine in 15 minutes tomorrow. It won't happen. If you want to avoid surgery, which only gives temporary results, and if you've reached grade 4, sometimes you have no choice but to get surgery. Even then, after surgery, you have to recover again. There are many cases. You can check Google. I hear cases from my students. If you don't want to get surgery, then put in a little effort. Do it daily for 15 to 20 minutes, half hour. Do stretching, light workouts, and stretching of the pelvic muscles is very important. Also, go to the playlist and check out the other exercises. Because if you do the same exercise every day, you lose interest. That zing factor will be gone, so you can switch things up. Myself, Jubru Amlan, retired Indian Air Force coach and currently one of India's most successful fertility yoga trainers, thank you very much. If you want to know anything else about varicocele or male fertility health, be sure to write it in the comments. I would be happy to bring those videos to you. See you very soon with another presentation.